Continuation. A rigid body. A rigid body. A rigid body performs a pure rotational motion. A pure rotational motion. A pure rotational motion. If every particle, if every particle of the body moves in a circle, moves in a circle and and centers of all the circles, all the circles lie on a straight line, straight line called the axis of rotation, axis of rotation. So a rigid body performs a pure rotational motion if every particle of the body moves in a circle and centers of all the circles lie on a straight line called the axis of rotation. Next, rotational kinematics relations. Rotational kinematics relations. Rotational kinematics relation. So here let the axis of rotation be passing through origin, here x-axis, here y-axis, here P point. So here axis of rotation will passing through 0 and is perpendicular to the plane of the paper. And a plane of rigid body that is at rigid angles, right angles to the axis of rotation. We choose a particle P, here particle P in this plane. To calculate this particle, we require to coordinate namely position vector R, and angle theta. For different particles in this plane or in the rigid body, values of R and theta will be different. So this is for only one particle. We have n number of particles in total rigid body. So we have to calculate total values for this angular position. Angular position. Angular position. So here what is the angular position? With smaller or fixed theta is varied. We arrive at rotational motion, at rotational motion, that is particle P That is particle P rotates in a circle of radius small r. Theta is increasing in anti-clockwise direction. And is taken as positive, whereas theta in clockwise direction is taken as negative. So theta equal to, we can write S by R in radian. So here angular position with small r fixed if theta is varied. Varied means different values. We arrive at rotational motion, that is particle P. Rotates in a circle of radius r. Then theta is increasing in anti-clockwise direction and is taken as positive, whereas theta in clockwise direction is taken as negative. Then theta equal to, we can write S by R in radians. So this is the angular position. Next, angular velocity. So what is the angular velocity here? Angular velocity, the body be rotating in counterclockwise direction at time t1. The particle is at p of t1, while at time t2 it is at p of t2. The angular position are theta1 and theta2. Therefore, angular displacement we can write delta t equal to theta2 minus theta1. Angular velocity. So what is the angular velocity here? Let the body be rotating in counterclockwise direction. Counterclockwise direction at time t1. The particle is at point of t1, while at time t2 it is at p of t2. The angular positions are theta1 and theta2. Therefore, the angular displacement is theta2 minus theta1 equal to delta theta. So this is for during time interval t2 minus t1 equal to delta t. So this is the diagram for time t1 to time t2. So here theta 1 and here theta 2. So here P of T2, here P of T1. So particle at T1 and particle at T2. This is the time interval delta theta, sorry, angular displacement. So here radius R1, here distance R2, here R1 and here R2. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Next, angular speed omega is defined as omega equal to limit delta t tends to 0 delta theta by delta t equal to, we can write d theta by dt. So in a rigid body, interparticle distance is fixed. Therefore, if one of the particle undergoes an angular displacement d theta in time dt, so must the others, which implies that ratio d theta by dt or angular speed omega will be same for every particle in the body. Next, angular acceleration. If angular speed omega of particle p is not constant, that is at time t1 angular speed is omega 1 and at a time t2 angular speed is omega 2. Then this vibration in angular speed in time interval t2 minus t1 gives angular acceleration. The average angular acceleration is defined as alpha equal to omega 2 minus omega 1 by t2 minus t1 or delta omega by delta t. Next, angular acceleration. So before we studied angular velocity, angular position. First, angular positions. What is angular position? Theta equal to s by r in radians and angular velocity. So what is the angular velocity? Omega equal to omega equal to d theta by dt.